Vocal booths are hard to come by. And when you need to record in a dedicated space, it can be trying to make something happen. You saw what I did last. I had a makeshift booth that I was setting up and tearing down. This worked, but it was inconvenient because every time I needed to record, I had to set up. So I need a dedicated space where I can record. Right now, my only option is to convert a bathroom into a vocal booth. We have a spare bathroom that I have permission to use, and I'm gonna try it. The only other option would be build something from scratch, but I really don't have the room or the money for that right now. So we're gonna convert this bathroom into a vocal booth, and I'm gonna take you along to show you the process. We're gonna run into some problems. We're gonna make some mistakes. I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, but I'm also gonna learn from these mistakes and make something that works. I'm excited. Hey, thank you for joining. My name's Stevie. If you like this video, go down below, give it a like, and go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot more videos to come. This is the first part of a series where we're gonna go through the whole build of this bathroom to vocal booth conversion. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see that happen. And let's jump in. Here we go. Sorry, I gotta hold the camera steady. I finally got some panels from ACOUSTIC.com, and maybe I'll throw a link down in the description. And these are gonna be some big ones. They're Owens Corning 703. They're 4 foot by 8 foot. So they're really big panels. I'm gonna go down to a friend's house where he let me have them delivered, and we're gonna go pick them up, and we're gonna bring them back and get started on the booth. So I'll show that to you guys. I'm pretty excited. It should be a lot better than the makeshift booth that I've been using. All right, let's go. Here we go, boys and girls. Got the Owens Corning right here. 703, 48 inches by 96 inches. 6 sheets of it. Look at how massive that is. It's huge. Well, we got lots of it, so when we get back, we're gonna start building the booth and see how much it helps. All right, stay tuned. So this is the plan. We have these 4 by 8 sheets, and basically we're going to try to find some way to cover these. The first thing I'm going to try, if I can make this work, and if it turns out to be a good idea, it's going to be great. I have some fitted sheets. I bought this one from Walmart. They're made for a twin or a twin extra large size, and if this can cover one of these safely, well, that'd be great. Just stretch it on. But I'm going to try this. I have a friend that's going to help me open this up. We're going to see if we can stretch one of these on here and just make it a panel that we can grab and just put it in there to make a booth. Let me show you what that looks like in there. Okay, so here's a restroom. I'm going to try to convert this restroom into a booth. So it's 5 foot by 5 foot. And if I can get those panels in here, one panel can go against this wall, another panel can go against this wall, and another panel can go against this wall here. If I can make that happen, that would be great. That's why I was thinking about using those 4 foot by 8 foot panels sheets, because if I go by the 2 by 4 foot ones, I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way to make them stand up and something to hold them. And right up here we have this obtrusion in the way. So if I can use those big panels, maybe I can make it kind of fit down in here. I know it's a bathroom and it's going to be kind of weird having things, but you know, sometimes you just got to use what you got. Just got to kind of make things work how you can to get the job done. So that's the plan. At least with this, we can close the door and we can block out some of the sound. Right now you can hear there's a lot of echo in here. So I'm hoping that this works out and cuts down on the echo. All right, more to come. Well, as you just saw, the fitted bedsheet idea did not work. It was too small. So what I did, I went to Joann's Fabric and I went and got some muslin fabric. It was pretty much the cheapest thing I could find. I just have enough to cover one panel. This is 112 inches wide. So it's actually enough to cover the bottom and the top. I just got enough to cover one panel to see if that's gonna work, if I can put them in as a whole piece. And then if it does fit, then I can go ahead and cover it and make the panels. Like I said, it's a process and we just try one thing at a time, and one way or another, we're gonna make it work. All right, let's see what happens next. Now to see if I can actually make it fit in there. Here we go. Let me put it the other way. Kind of would like this side to be the back, so maybe I need it like this. Okay. Angles, angles. That's really the name of the game here. Well, it's in. Let's see if I can get it in place. Oh, man. Oh, boy. This is gonna be crazy, but it might work for now. Okay, here's where it is right now, where you saw me just put it. And the other idea is to put another one here against this wall. And that should make this one prop up, keep this one in place by putting another one here and then make another one to go here against this wall. All right, we gotta build some more. If you like this video, go down below, give it a like, and go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot more videos to come. This is the first part of a series where we're gonna go through the whole build of this bathroom to vocal booth conversion. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see that happen. Now I see why they do things the way they do. Dedicated studios and all.